Charter has increased its internet upload and download speeds again. Now I can download 50 pictures in under a minute, or 8 songs in 20 seconds. I can do anything.
Well, everyone, time for that UpNorthLive.com forecast. Thanks for joining us here on the World Wide Web. I'll look now at our weather forecast and kind of an interesting period of weather coming up here. We're going to bridge a pretty nice day on Wednesday with some rain that will take us through Thursday and then some sunshine heading into the weekend. Here's the short-term forecast. Note the clouds slowly arriving from the west. If you look off in the western sky later today, you'll see those high wispy cirrus clouds approaching ahead of our next weather system. Now, as we go through tonight, still pretty quiet, but the clouds will continue to assemble and thicken over northern Michigan. And then tomorrow, some rain starts to break out in the morning through the afternoon, and you can see this becoming a bit more widespread. We have low pressure that is dropping into the area. The actual center of this will cross through Illinois and Indiana and then sweep back up to southern Lake Huron on Friday. But on the northern flank of this rain, you see that right there, it's likely pretty cloudy and cool Thursday. And then Thursday night, rain will sweep through southeast Michigan. And then watch this on Friday. See how this lifts back north? And the back edge of this will work through our Lake Huron County. So Alpena down towards Houghton Lake, rain is looking likely Friday afternoon and evening. Here is that rain forecast over the area. Again, not much on Wednesday, very quiet, but Wednesday night and then into Thursday is when we start to see that rain accumulating right here. Our heaviest totals will be along and south of Highway M72, closer to that area of low pressure, which again will pass by to the south. Now, if you're up here around, let's say, Rogers City, maybe Drummond Island, not a very good chance for rain. We have a northeast wind that will keep things pretty dry there. Here's what it looks like on our winds. Now, on Wednesday, a light wind regime out of the north. But with that arrival of low pressure, and again, this is almost like a winter-type weather pattern, which we shouldn't be surprised about. It's been a very weird summer so far in the weather department. Winds will be out of the northeast. There we are around 11 o'clock Thursday night. And then look at here, by Friday, this system strengthens, and look at the strong winds here near Lake Huron. We'll see some pretty high waves here as well, with that north and northeast wind funneling right down into northern Michigan on our Friday. So the winds will pick up. On the overall pattern, here's our upper air pattern. And if you remember how hot it was over the summer, that big dome of heat that we had in the eastern U.S., well, look what's happened to that. That has been pushed off into the western U.S. We have a big heat dome here over the Four Corners region. That's where the heat is now. We get this upper trough right here, and again, this allows the cooler air to spill in from Canada. Of course, the days still pretty long up in northern Canada, but they are getting shorter, and some of the cooler weather spilling in here. You see that Friday, Saturday, Sunday, but then look at this. By early to middle part of next week, this heat dome expands a little bit further east, and temperatures moderate as the cooler air lifts back northward. There's your 7-day forecast. Upper 70s Wednesday. Thursday, some rain, chance of a thunderstorm. We'll hold on to that rain chance through Friday in our eastern counties. Saturday and Sunday, we're looking at mid-70s, and actually a pretty nice weekend coming up. Monday and Tuesday, a little warmer, upper 70s to near 80 degrees.